Hello everybody, this is Melody and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is Saturday and it's a very beautiful, lovely day. And we are going back to Cammo. So this is Cammo part 2. Yes. Okay. We might go sledging, we'll see. We got the sledge in the car anyway, so okay.
Keep it low key, keep it soft and spoken. No strings tying you to me. Happy in your company.
And we're here.
Cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now.
The last time we went to see the Almond River, and this time we're going to explore different piers. So please watch the whole video.
Told me
Thank
don't
you.
really do commitment, trust me. Consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now.
That's where we're going, Stables Old Garden.
So when you stop paying so much attention,
When the snow becomes ice, it's really, really
another
scary.
direction.
And
Don't
it's
worry,
very dangerous. Oh my goodness!
careful,
Oh, it's so slimy. Hold on, yeah. Hey,
I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn. We can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy family.
this is a stable.
But I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan. We can still have fun for now.
and now we
Yeah,
are
we
here in
can
the
still
stable.
have fun for now. Oh, we can still have fun for now.
Hello. Hi. Kels. So this is the old stable. Just a shame. Some people are throwing rubbish inside. And yeah. That's the old stable. Oh, there's something wrong with my arm. Hi. It's so nice to walk in the woods, especially if it's all white. It's just magical. Hi, this is just the beginning of the tour. I hope you will watch the whole video, and I hope you give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.
With no strings tying you to me.
Hello everybody.
Happy in your
Welcome to my
company with
YouTube
no
channel.
emotion, 'cause
It's
my
Melody
life
here and you're
deserves to be
watching
free.
Talk and Therapy
I
with
never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna
Alright
lock
guys,
you down.
this is
I know
Cammo
you're not
part
mine,
2.
it's just
We
my
went here
turn,
before, but
can
we
still
only
have fun for
managed
now.
to go to the Almond River. This is such a beautiful place. So beautiful.
You told
It's
me you
magical.
don't really do commitment, trust
You
me.
can see so many
Consider
people
your
walking.
message received.
Now we just been
You
to
said you couldn't take us too
the
serious.
stables. Now we're going to the Old Garden.
Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I
That's a
like
really
having
huge
you
tree.
around.
We go inside.
Fully
I think we
aware
can go
this is a
inside.
flash
Let's see, let's get in.
and we can still have fun for now.
Oh, Daddy should have taken your sledge as well, Kel. Eh? 'Kay? 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 'Kay?
stop
a
paying so
beautiful
much
tree.
attention, and
Such
when
a
you're moving in
beautiful tree.
another direction,
It's just
don't
like a
worry, I
shelter.
get it. I
don't
meant
know how
what I
many trees
said
are
when I
here.
said it,
Yeah,
lady.
there's a lot.
I never wanna look
Well,
at a
it's
house
just
in
like
the
a beautiful
garden. I
shelter.
never wanna lock you down.
It's nicer
I
in
know
real
you're
life.
not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still
the
have
river
fun for now.
turn.
Yeah, we can
It's
still
a
have
giant
fun for
slushy.
now. Oh, we
It's
can
a giant
still
slushy,
have
look.
fun for now.
So that was
I want to
the
drink
tree I
the
was talking
slushy,
about
Mama.
earlier on.
I want to drink the
It's like a
slushy.
shelter. It's so
So can I go
nice.
down so I can swim in the slushy maker?
Okay,
Look,
go.
it's a slushy.
Go then, go.
Really?
Just kidding. So where are we now, Kelsey? Is this the old garden? I think it's the garden over there. Oh no, I think we're lost.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion.
Oh
'cause
my goodness.
love
Oh my
deserves to
goodness, it's so
be.
scary.
I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna
Go, be
lock
there,
you
there.
down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me. Consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I
Cammo
like
Reserve
having
to eh.
you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now.
Whoa. Mama, it's so...
Where's your gloves?
What? Stop asking me that. Whoa. Whoa. Mommy, it's a slushy.
It's frozen lake.
It's slushy.
So when you stop paying so much attention,
Mama, look, you can even
you're
walk.
moving in another direction.
I know.
Don't worry, I get it.
You can
I
even walk
meant
on
That
what
can
I
kill
said when I
someone, you know?
said it, lady.
I know, I can
never
see it.
wanna
That can
look
kill
at a
someone.
house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Yeah, we can still have fun for now. Oh, we can still have fun for now.
I think they have like problems and then they went here. Or
Kelsey! Silly girl. I forgot to take a video, but we met a lovely guy earlier.
yeah, I don't think he wants to take a video.
And then, come here,
It's
Kelsey.
really playful.
And then he said that, let me just, right, he said that, because this one is, I don't know how many acres of land. Okay, let's continue exploring.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly
To
spoken,
make a long
with no
story
strings
short, so
tying
this
you
was
to
owned by
me.
really rich people
I'm
before.
happy in your
And then,
company with no
there were
emotion,
two
cause my
siblings.
love deserves to
The
be
other
free.
one died, the other
I
brother
never
died, and
wanna
the other
look
brother
at a house in the garden. I
The
never
crippled
wanna
brother,
lock you down. I
has
know
been
you're
looked
not
after
mine,
by
it's just
stray
my
dogs.
turn, but we can
So he
still
has
have fun
so
for
many
now.
stray dogs. And then when the crippled brother died, the stray dogs, they just
You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me. Consider your message received.
Cammo Estate.
When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around.
The government for £1.
Fully aware this is a flash in the pan, we can still have fun for now.
Please listen to my story. Story of this Cammo Estate.
So when you stop paying so much attention,
exactly what the guy
when
said.
you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn.
So now we're
Still
here
have fun for now.
in
No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you
there's a well.
around.
It's like a source of water.
Fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still
But
have
it's
fun for now. Yeah, we can still have fun for now. Oh, we can still have fun.
So the story is the whole state is now owned by the council, and it was sold by the owner for only £1. £1! £1! Yes, £1. Yes.
We can go somewhere else.
Wait. So this is the source of water back then in this Cammo Estate. Just for one house, just for one house, no? I mean one household. Well, one owner. Well, the owner.
There's a pump there.
That's a pump there. And
Is this-
it looks like
Mama?
the birds have been staying in here.
I hear a mockingbird, or I think actually I hear a pigeon up there.
And my hands are so frozen. I need to go. So that's it for this video because I am so cold. We need to cut this video, and I promise you I will take you back here. Maybe we will be back here in a few months time when the weather is a wee bit nicer and when the snow is gone, and maybe we could do a barbecue together. Okay, please do not forget to click like, share and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget, be grateful always. Bye bye.
You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me. Consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously.